Hello poultry enthusiasts, today we're diving into the world of the Brown Leghorn Rooster, a spirited and iconic chicken breed that has earned its place in backyard flocks around the world. These remarkable birds have unique qualities and requirements for successful rearing, but before we embark on this journey, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the fascinating world of poultry. The Brown Leghorn Rooster is a breed deeply rooted in poultry history. Originally hailing from Italy, they are a variety of the Leghorn breed known for their excellent egg-laying capabilities and striking appearance. These roosters have made a name for themselves not only for their productivity, but also for their hardiness. Brown Leghorn roosters are known for their lean and upright bodies. They have beautiful glossy feathers that range from deep reddish brown to mahogany, making them a sight to behold in any flock. Their bright red combs and wattles stand out against their plumage, adding to their striking appearance. To successfully raise and care for Brown Leghorn roosters, it's important to provide them with the right growing conditions. These roosters thrive in free-range or spacious coop environment, as they are active and enjoy foraging. Adequate space and good ventilation are key for their health and comfort. Brown Leghorn roosters are known for their vigor and resilience. They do well in a range of climates, but it's essential to protect them from extreme cold or heat. Providing access to clean, fresh water and a balanced diet is crucial to support their overall well-being. Brown Leghorn roosters generally get along with other chicken breeds and even other poultry species. However, introducing new birds to the flock should be done gradually to prevent territorial conflicts. Ensuring that the coop is spacious enough to accommodate all birds comfortably can help maintain harmony. These roosters serve various purposes in backyard flocks. While they are known for their egg-laying counterparts, Brown Leghorn roosters also make excellent protectors for the flock, sounding alarms in case of danger. Their distinctive crowing is a familiar and comforting sound on many farms. In conclusion, Brown Leghorn roosters are a valuable addition to any poultry enthusiast flock. Their history, striking appearance, and versatility make them a beloved choice among chicken keepers. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of poultry on our channel.